students, do you still eat chickens? I really hope that at the end of this cute little video that you will not eat chickens anymore. No chicken wings and no eggs. I'm hoping that you're going to fall in love with this chicken the way that this woman did. Look at the title here. Do you see it below? It says, "Woman falls in love with chicken, rescued from New York City streets." Let's watch it together.
He loves to make the bed in the morning. He loves to jump for his treats. He likes to help weed the flower garden. I cannot imagine my life without him. I scooped him up and he seemed really content in my hand, and I had him do some office work with me, and it was hard not to fall in love with him. And I was leaving for the day, so it was like this knee-jerk reaction. It just came out of my mouth. I was like, I'll take him. I brought him home to foster him. Chicks that age should be under their mothers, keeping warm.
Oh, that's wonderful. So she decided to take this little baby chick home. That's great, because it would be sad to leave him or her inside a cage overnight. That would be kind of scary.
And basically I became his surrogate mother. He went everywhere with me, or he would...
Look how cute! Would you do the same thing? Write down in the comments below, if you found a baby chick on the streets of wherever you are, would you think to yourself, oh, I'm gonna cook this chick up and eat him or her? Or would you think to yourself, I would like to protect this little baby and help to raise him or her? What would you think? I think most of us would want to be kind to this little animal, kind and to care for. You know, I say on this channel all the time that you are born vegan, and I mean it. You probably think it's crazy, but think about it. Most people don't want to hurt animals, and we are just force-fed dead animals on a spoon when we're younger, and we've never consented to our parents to hurt these animals for us. It's in our nature to be kind to them, to want to protect them, just like cats, dogs, and all kinds of other animals. He would sleep in my sweatshirt.
Sleep in my sweatshirt and cuddle up to me, and every day I fell more and more in love with him. And I just learned very quickly that he's this wonderful sentient being that just wants to be loved.
Did you hear that word? She said sentient. I wonder if she's vegan. She might be vegan, because meat eaters don't usually use that word, sentient. That's the kind of word that sort of sets off an alarm like, oh, this person might be vegan, because sentience means that an animal can feel pain and love and fear, and that they perceive the world around them, just like humans do. We are sentient beings, and so are they. Cats, dogs, chickens, pigs, all these animals. So that's why I'm encouraging you all to stop eating them, because we don't have to. Since the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that anybody can be vegan, no matter what stage of development you are, why wouldn't we be? Why would we hurt animals if we don't have to? So you're born vegan, and when you are a little kid, you can stay vegan. Teenagers can be vegan, parents, grandparents, even pregnant mothers can be vegan, and lactating mothers. So there's just no excuse for animal abuse. I hope she's vegan. I wonder if she is. What do you guys think? Write it in the comments below. Just take a guess. And maybe at the end, we'll find out. I don't know.
Like all of us, just like a cat or a dog or a human baby. I had fallen asleep on the sofa. Bree was really quiet that day. Like, he really sensed that I wasn't feeling well. And when I woke, he was laying across my chest. I remember waking up thinking,
oh my God, look at, do you see him? He's like spread out on her chest. How cool would that be to wake up and have a chicken on your chest?
I didn't even know that chickens laid down. And so all of a sudden
look at him sleeping, he's totally crashed out. It looks like my dog. Just like completely relaxed. It's so funny that she says that. Like, she didn't even know that chickens like just lay down. It's true, there's so much about animals that we don't really know.
Became very aware, like this sentient being is bonded to me. That was that turning point day where I thought, wow, I feel like he's part of my family. I don't know if I could give him to a sanctuary. Chickens grow very rapidly.
Look at him. Or her. Look at the feathers on the top and the back there. Not yellow anymore. Getting bigger. I guess this is why she takes the picture here beside these other chicks to show the size.
Bree was constantly changing. One day, a couple months.
Yeah, look at that. Huge. Oh my God. Look how red on top here. Wow.
Months later, he croaked. Crowing.
He croaked. I don't think she means he died. He croaked. He went, cock-a-doodle-doo. And that means that he's a rooster.
Is usually the telltale sign that he was a rooster.
So he's a boy. Oh,
so here I was, living in New York City at the time with Bree the rooster. And I had to make a decision. And Bree
had to make a decision. Oh, look, he's in the carrier here in the car. This is like a carrier that people use for cats sometimes or small dogs.
Made the decision for me because I chose Bree. It was probably the best decision I ever made.
Oh, look! They moved out of the city. She bought a whole new house just for her rooster? That is so sweet. What a wonderful person. Aww.
I know how attached I am to Bree, but I think I fail to realize how attached he is to me. When I come home after a day of work, he'll do the happy dance for me, and I pick him up, or he'll follow me into my office.
Look how big he is. Oh my God, look at his feet. Oh, it's so sad to think that people can eat chickens. And their wings. I mean, animals are here on the planet with us, not for us. They shouldn't be eaten or put in circuses or zoos. Shouldn't be testing anything on them, cosmetics and things like that. Anyway, I'm really happy that she ended up adopting this little sweetheart.
That gives me a special feeling because for me, he's such a gift.
Look how she picks him up like that, and his feet just sort of hang there. Oh my God, yeah, this could be a chicken leg. Ugh, I feel sick thinking that I used to eat chicken legs. So, I feel so guilty. That's why I wrote this on these shirts. I have a lot of these different shirts that say, "Dear animals, I'm so sorry. I promise to be vegan from now on." What about you guys? Are you already vegan? If so, good job. And if you're not yet vegan, I hope this is going to convince you to stop eating animals. Now, don't just stop eating chickens, but keeping and eating other animals. That doesn't make any sense. When you know something's wrong, you got to stop completely. Right? Just like if you know that racism is wrong, you don't just like stop being racist a couple of days a week. You just stop completely. You know that homophobia is wrong, so don't be cruel. Don't be cruel to anyone just because of the way that they look. Chickens, people with different skin colors, everyone. Let everyone live. Don't hurt them. That's so cute.
Taught me so much. Chickens as a whole are very, very smart animals. He loves technology, like he's actually watching us, watching you. He's an avid reader. Be able to provide him a good home and to provide him with love, that's part of my mission. He's enriched my life so much, I think without him, I wouldn't be as joyful. What do you think? Oh, the big wings, that's like a good sign.
Aww. How sweet. Bree and Camille. Check them out at Instagram, Bree and Me Rooster. Wow. I really wonder if she's vegan. I haven't checked yet, but if you guys get a chance to check that Instagram account, let me know in the comments below. Say, yes, she's vegan, or no, she's not vegan. I'm just really curious. And take a guess yourself. You know, I I kind of suspect that she might be vegan. I mean, like I said, she used the word sentient, and she fell in love with this rooster. And when you really connect with animals like that, you realize that you can't go back to eating them. I mean, if you have a good heart, you kind of realize, hey, I got to be vegan. So thank you everybody for being here today. I really do appreciate that. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe, press the notification bell so that we can help get these animals out of hell like she did. And coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. If you haven't yet looked around, be curious. Check the different videos. There's all kinds of things. I talk about animal abusers, and I talk about people who save animals, and I talk about different TV shows like Cocomelon. I analyze that, and I analyze different chefs, and there's all kinds of stuff. You can even see my dog Bella, all kinds of stuff. So thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Doot, 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 doot.